Whoosh! Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, Backtolandandco. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Today, I am here to share with you some stories I have encountered while living in America. My name is Backto. Remember, I used to volunteer at the pharmacy store. There was a day, a guy walked into the pharmacy store where I used to volunteer, and he said he's looking for cough syrup. Meanwhile, we were out of cough syrup on the shelf, and I could see that the guy is coughing really bad. He looks like he's about to cough his head off. So I decided to suggest another alternative for his cough problem. You know, in Africa where I come from, sometimes when you're having headache, the elderly people can give you some medication that is clearly used for high problem to cure your headache, and usually work 90% of the time. So I suggested Laxative for the guy to get rid of his cough. He looked at me. I said, my friend, give it a try. You will thank me later. So the guy liked my suggestion. He decided to buy a bottle of Laxative. So he went his own way. In the afternoon, the owner of the pharmacy came. He said to me, who is the guy leaning heavily on the wall outside? I told him, I said, boss, the guy came to the pharmacy this morning looking for cough syrup, and we do not have any cough syrup on the shelf. So I suggested Laxative for his problem. My boss looked at me. He said, you idiot, you can't use Laxative to cure cough problem. I said to him, boss, yes, of course you can. Look at the guy leaning on the wall. He is afraid of coughing because he doesn't want anything coming out of his rear end. I fix his problem, of course. Shortly after I came to America, my friend and I, we decided to go out for dinner. We went to a restaurant. When we got to the restaurant and sat on the table, there is this beautiful plump waitress with a short skirt and a leg that will never give up on her. She came to our table, and as she was walking, my eyes kept looking at her up and down automatically. I wasn't the one controlling my eyes. You know, there is a myth about the Africans that they like plump women. Yes, of course we do. But I will tell you why we like thick madam in a different story, okay? When the lady came to our table, she took the order of my friend sitting next to me. The lady said to me with a smile on her face, sir, what would you like to have for tonight? I said to her, I would like to have a coochie. She looked at me. She said, excuse me? The smile that she has on her face before quickly went away. After she has recovered from the shock that she went into, she asked me again. She said, sir, what can I get for you tonight? My eyes still was checking her up and down automatically without me doing it. I told her I would like to have some coochie. Before I knew it, this lady gave me a dirty slap. Whoosh! I held my neck and my head together, and I was so dizzy. After I recovered from the dizziness, my friend on the table, they were in shock. The guy sitting next to me was laughing hysterically. I asked him, why are you laughing? And I looked at the woman. I said, madam, what have I done to deserve this kind of treatment? And the guy sitting next to me then leaned towards me. He said it is pronounced quiche, not coochie. What you were asking her was a little bit personal, okay? The miss always take off my head from my neck because of mispronunciation. Okay? Get your quiche right. Thank you for watching that video. I hope you've enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell so that you can be informed when we upload another video. And as usual, don't forget to smash that like button. or you could just click right there. Okay? Thank you. God bless you and have a good day. I'll see you on the next video.